Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a breathtaking sunset painting using only my fingers, no brushes allowed. In this video, you'll witness a couple's incredible journey as they transform a blank canvas into a stunning sunset masterpiece using only their hands. Many people think that creating beautiful art requires expensive tools and brushes, but this couple is here to show that it's not the case. They're going to break down the myth that you need to be a skilled artist or have years of experience to create something truly remarkable. With just a few simple ingredients, finger paint, a canvas, and some creativity, they'll show you how to unlock your inner artist. They're not professional artists, but they're passionate about exploring new ways of expressing themselves. And that's what makes this journey so exciting. They're willing to take risks, experiment, and learn as they go. A big part of what makes this process so captivating is the connection they share as a couple. You can see the excitement and energy as they work together, bouncing ideas off each other, and encouraging each other to take risks. It's not just about creating art, it's about the experience they're having together. They're laughing, chatting, and enjoying every moment of this creative journey. As they get started, you can see the uncertainty on their faces. They're not entirely sure what they're going to create, or how it's going to turn out. But that's what makes this process so beautiful. They're not afraid to make mistakes, they know that they can always learn from them and adapt. Watch as they experiment with different colors and techniques, sharing tips on how to manipulate the paint for various effects, all while enjoying the process together. They're using bold strokes, sweeping motions, and delicate touches to bring their canvas to life. The colors are vibrant, the textures are interesting, and the energy is infectious. You can't help but get caught up in their enthusiasm as they explore this new way of creating art. As they work, they're constantly discussing their vision, sharing ideas, and building on each other's thoughts. It's a true collaboration, and you can see the excitement building as they start to see their artwork take shape. They're not afraid to try new things, to take risks, and to push the boundaries of what's possible. The way they're using their fingers to apply the paint is almost meditative. You can see the calmness, the focus, and the joy as they work together. It's not just about creating art, it's about the experience they're having, the connection they're making, and the memories they're creating. The moment they step back to reveal their finished art piece will leave you in awe, showcasing the magic of finger painting. It's hard to believe that just a short time ago, this was a blank canvas. Now, it's a stunning sunset masterpiece, full of life, energy, and beauty. As they stand back and admire their work, you can sense the pride and satisfaction they feel. They've created something truly remarkable, and they've done it together. The bond they've strengthened, the memories they've made, and the inspiration they've sparked will stay with them long after this video ends. Recap how this unique approach not only resulted in a stunning artwork but also strengthened their bond as a couple and inspired creativity. If you enjoyed this artistic adventure, be sure to check out our other videos and let us know in the comments what you think about finger painting.